Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use a Direct Express card. The Direct Express card is a prepaid debit card issued by the U.S. Department of the Treasury to help federal benefit recipients receive their payments electronically. To get started, first make sure you have received your Direct Express card in the mail and have activated it by calling the phone number provided with the card. You will be asked to create a PIN which will be used for all future transactions. Once your card is activated, you can start using it to make purchases, pay bills, and get cash at ATMs and banks. You can use your card anywhere that accepts MasterCard, which is the network used by Direct Express. When making a purchase, simply swipe your card and enter your PIN to complete the transaction. To check your balance, you can call the customer service number, visit the Direct Express website, or use the mobile app. You can also sign up for text alerts to receive updates on your account balance and transaction history. You can also use your Direct Express card to pay bills online or over the phone. Many companies accept the Direct Express card as a payment method, so be sure to check with your service providers to see if they accept this type of payment. In addition to making purchases and paying bills, you can also use your Direct Express card to get cash at ATMs and banks. Be aware that some ATMs may charge a fee for using your card, so it's best to use ATMs that are part of the Direct Express network to avoid these fees. To keep your account secure, make sure to keep your card and PIN in a safe place. And never share your PIN with anyone. You should also monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your Direct Express card safely and effectively to manage your federal benefits. Remember to always keep your card and PIN secure, and to contact customer service if you have any questions or concerns about your account.